Welcome back. Today we are doing Linux string substitute SED. Here is the mission. We need to find a specific file, remove all lines containing a copyright. We need to replace a specific word throughout the file. But there is a catch, we have to be careful with word boundaries. Let's jump into the terminal. First step, as always, is logging into the correct server. We are SSH into App Server 3. Once we are in, let's switch to the root user to ensure we have full permissions to modify the files in the home directory. We'll do a quick ls to confirm our target file exists. There it is. Now, let's get to work. Taska asks us to delete all lines containing the word copyright and save the results in a new file called BSD.txt file. To do this, we use grep with the -v and w flag. We redirect the output greater than to the new file required by the task. Step 1 is complete. Now for task B, replace all occurrences of the word the with is. I will use sed command. Always double-check your output files if you're unsure, but these commands look solid. Let's hit that check button. And there we go, task complete. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tasks from KodeKloud. Thank you so much for watching.